Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Magnus Cranium, and today I'm going to do another review, and the review is going to be on the Mida Multitool. And I just got, this is my old one that I got from Yeah, I got from Zur. And I got this one today. No, yesterday. Yesterday with from a rare engram. Yeah, a rare engram. Sorry. I don't know how I got this at all. Like it just surprised me. And I also got, I'll probably do this next. I also got the Zalo Supercell from a exotic engram. I forget. Oh yeah, I was doing the Black Garden, and that's how I. I'm gonna see if anybody's in the lobby. Oh, we're going. All right, that was actually fairly quick. I wonder what map we're gonna get. I did. Oh, I got the Mida. I mean, not the Mida. You already know that. The Matador. I told you that. I told you guys that in my other video. Please comment if this is a good roll or not. So I'll tell you the rolls. You don't. It's smarter control. Oh, okay, fine game. Just cut me out in the middle of my commentary. That's fine, I guess. Okay, I'll try to show you really quick. So I got rangefinder, that I got this. So you can always pause it and look at those rolls if you want. You don't have to. But yeah. The Mida is really fun to me. It's just a lot of damage from headshots. Yeah. So what if I go back here? Oh, I'm right behind enemy lines. That guy is not playing, so let me just kill him real quick before I get killed. Yep, see? See, did you see how much damage that did? The Mida is so cool. Like, also with all the new skins, I guess you could call it. The new shaders, whatever you might call it. Those are really cool. I like the white especially. Did you see how much damage that did? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Wait. Oh, what? I thought that was so much action. I thought that was a shotgun that just killed me from that range. That makes sense because, you know, shotguns these days are freaking crazy. Oh, kill you. Boom. Whoops. Boom. Surprise. He doesn't see me. Doesn't see me. I think. Boom. I actually got damage. Like, why, how, why? I think that just boosts me up. Thanks, bro. Oh my god! Run. Okay, wait for them to come down. He's probably like, I'll wait for him to come up. I swore I saw a guy down here. Maybe he popped back up. Oh! Nope, not that way, not that way. Not that way. Not that way. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think that was was that an arc blade or not? Not sure. It's so crazy. Run. Am I behind? No, I just came out a different door. I kind of am, I guess. See, look at this. Look at this action. That wasn't... Oh, I see you. Boom. Haha, you wanted to play dumb with my friend there. He's probably like, dang it. Oh, can I outgun him? Oh, gosh, what did... That really jacked up my aim. Do you see that? Like, I think that was a scout rifle he's shooting out of. I believe it was the Iron Banner one. Or is that the Clever Dragon? No, what did it say? I bet you it was just like some type of... Maybe it's a pulse. I have no clue. Whoa. Oh, I got hits. Oh my gosh. He's a rebel. Not really. He just went in to use his super. I'll take up that. Oh, no. He wasn't even looking at me. And he killed me somehow. Wait, did you see that? Did you see that? It said kill. Like the weapon where it said weapon. Like the weapon you were killed by. It said scout rifle. It said literally scout rifle. Oh! Gosh, dang it. Wow. That sucks. I've never heard of the gun scout rifle. I know it's a, oh! How did he not die? Okay, come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. You know you want some. Or he can just kill him, that's fine. Okay, I'm gonna watch our backs. Yep. Boom! Boom! Or not. I mean, that's fine. I can just assist you, because, you know, that's all I do. Okay, that was awkward. Oh yeah, I saw this. Oh wait, ammo. Go get the ammo. I'm gonna steal this guy's ammo. Boom. Boom. Oh, poop. Grab the ammo. Go. Did we get him? Me and that guy saved the day. Me and that guy just means that guy. Like that's, he did all the work. I thought that was golden gun or something. Oh, what was that? I burned. You kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you serious? Are you serious? Oh my god. And then look at the range. See, that was like a sniper shot. I'm just kidding. I didn't do any damage. Oh! Oh! Oh gosh, this is fun. Let's get this orb. Boom! Oh, did I kill him? I bet I was really close. Though, that was, wow. That was just wow. That, I have nothing to say about that, but wow. Okay, I'm gonna come over here, like in freaking Henry Danger, transform into Storm Trans person. Don't kill him, I got you. Okay, where you can kill him. Did I just waste this? Nope. Oh, no. Really? Oh, gosh. Okay. Run. Go. Jump up. No. Jump up. That was cool. No, that was mine. Wait for it. Okay, he's up there. Go. I can't see. Ew. We might lose again. Really? Again? Oh. No. Okay, throw that up there. Did that guy just pass me? Boom! Oh, we traded. It just now depends on who will get our crest, and I think that'll be me. Yes. I will get his first. Thank you very much. Nope. Don't die. Here. There we go. Got it. Oh, gosh. Oh, God. Boom! We face off again. This guy, dude. I'm gonna go try to kill him again. And if he kill, there he is. Hi, buddy. He. Kill him. Yeah, I killed him. Let's go. Oh, no. How about no? Dang it. Gosh. Darn Danish. That's what my friends think I say all the times is. Oh, no hammers. Aww. Change of plans. Friend is here. Hi. How you doing? What?
Are you recording?
Yes.
What game are you playing?
Destiny.
Oh, that was Overwatch.
Come on, I want to kill that guy. or not. You know, that guy.
I'm only level 3 and I've like a whole armor case.
Boom!
Hey,
Boom! Yeah. Now I'm gonna pop this and do some stuff. Thank you. Got it. It's good. Oh, triple? The triple dipple?
How many views?
I don't know. I'm recording right now.
Oh, yeah.
That was unfortunate turn of events. Yes. We lost again. Oh well, I'll just okay.
Wait, this is the code to get it?
Yes. Why is it so far behind? That's not.
Wait, you get it for free?
YouTube? I'm gonna go look at you. I'm gonna see if I can like it.
Dr. Magnus Cranium.
I've been trying to look up
Dr. Mind's Cranium.
Dr. Magnus Cranium. Those are awesome awards. Look at that. It's a coin. Let's go.
Wait, do you get this all
I'm
for
getting a
free?
PS4 today.
You are?
Yes.
$250.
I'll friend you on it. What's your name?
Arcade Mathis at fuse.net.
You just said that in the video. Check out his profile.
Yeah.
Check out his profile on PS4, please.
So you get the game for free?
Please don't hack me.
So yeah.
Well, thank you for watching, everyone. Would you like to say goodbye?
Goodbye.
This
Bye.
is Dr. Magnus Cranium signing off.
Wait,
Please
where's-
comment
Bye.
and like and subscribe if you haven't. This is Dr. Magnus Cranium signing off.